Good morning, guys. Today's actually my first day of work at my day job, which is really exciting, but also it's the first day of this series where I'm going to show you guys different mascara over the course of 7 days to help you guys figure out which one's actually best for people with sensitive eyes. And then I would actually love to do a video after this where I test the makeup after maybe like a month to see if the formula's changed after use and all of that. So today I'm going to put on something called Pacifica, and we're gonna just see how it looks, see how it feels, and I'll check in at the end of the day with this mascara. Okay, so today we have Pacifica Natural Beauty Dream Big, and it looks like this. And I actually got mine from a grocery store called Sprouts. It's really popular out in California. And so here there's a little twist. So it says twist for length or twist for volume. I needed to sit down for a second so I can actually apply the mascara. So we're gonna take it out, and this is how the twist looks. So when you twist it for, I think for volume, it gets shorter and stubbier, and then you twist out for length and it gets a little bit longer. So I'm gonna apply length on one of my eyes and volume on the other, and we'll see if there's even a difference. Okay, so that was length. Let's twist it for volume. I feel like I actually really do see a difference between the lengthening and the volumizing. I don't know if you guys can see this difference. So this side is lengthening, this side is volumizing. All right, so I'm gonna wear this the entire day, and then I'll check in at the end of the day and tell you guys how my eyes felt, whether I started feeling itchy, because I have extremely sensitive eyes. I have extremely sensitive skin in general, and so for me, I really can't wear mascara without it burning my eyes and making me feel awful. And by the end of the day, I want to rip my eyes out. Hey friends, so it's like 7:45 p.m. I'm so tired. It's the day before my period and my body's just not dealing with life very well. It's the first day of my job and I'm just so tired. I had worn that mascara pretty much all day and put it on about 9 a.m. and by 5 p.m. my eyes kind of felt a little bit irritated by it, but that could just be that I'm like dead tired. And I had taken it off. It came off pretty easy just with soap and water. And tomorrow we'll try a new mascara. Alrighty, another day, another mascara. This one is called Gabriel, and I also got it at Sprouts at the grocery store, and I think it's in the color brown black. We're gonna apply this super quick because I have a meeting that I have to jump on. Yeah, oh, that smells really bad. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna like this one. It smells like paint thinner, or it smells like nail polish remover. That's not a good smell. That's not a good smell at all. Also, it really doesn't look like it's doing anything, to be honest. I don't think I want to put this on my eyes with it smelling like that. Okay, we're gonna see how long this lasts. I guarantee it's not gonna be very long. So far it's 11 a.m. I will let you know when I need to take this off because I don't think that's gonna be a good situation. See you later. Okay, it's now 5 o'clock and I've worn this mascara the entire day, and there's absolutely nothing, no fallout. There is a little clump there, but that must have been from application. My eyes have not hurt at all. I don't feel like I need to take my makeup off. I actually forgot I was wearing mascara. So far, the Gabriel mascara did really well, even though it smelled absolutely terrible, so. Okay, today we're in my bathroom, which isn't the prettiest place in the world, but today is Honest Beauty Day, which is actually one of my favorite brands, but this mascara is unique because it does have a white, and then you put the mascara on to add more. So I'm gonna go in my room because I feel like the lighting's gonna be a little bit better, and I can set you up and do my mascara as always, as we do each day. So you take the pink end and you undo it, and there's this tiny little white stick. And so this is like how, it's called a lash primer, and then you'll put on the mascara. So let me put on the lash primer. Let me see if I can get a little bit more product on here. I've only used this 2 times, so it's not like I've used it all up. I don't know. Don't know if it transferred all that well. I feel like I have a little bit in my eyebrow. I'm not sure that that's transferring. Okay, let's check with this eye. Okay, well there's a little bit more on this side. I feel like it's a little bit more sheer of a color. Also, this is a hilarious angle to be posting myself on YouTube, just all up in my face like this, but I feel like it's the best way to get you guys like in here and actually see what's happening. So I don't know, that was the lash primer. I feel like it didn't do all that much, and I guess I'm gonna let it dry for a minute and then we'll put on the mascara. And right now it's about 9 a.m. and we'll see how long I last. It already feels heavy from the lash primer, so I don't think I have high hopes for this situation. This is how the applicator looks. We're gonna go ahead and put this on. I mean, that looks nice. Not that this is really about whether it looks nice or not, but that is part of the situation. Okay, I mean, that did a good job. I feel like yesterday's mascara, the Gabriel, just didn't do all that much. Yeah, this does not have that alcohol smell that the Gabriel one had at all. I don't know, I feel like the formula is nice, but I really don't know how long into the day this one's gonna last me, because I'm pretty sure it made my eyes itchy when I wore it the other day. So, no, okay, we're good. All right, I'll check in later. All right, so now it's 4:30. Here's how the mascara looks. It still looks really nice, but my eyes have been feeling like there's flakes in them a few times today. And I've actually worn this mascara in the past and I've had that feeling too. So this one I don't love as much as the other ones because I do feel as though there's like stuff in my eyes. So for me, I'm gonna go take this off because I've had enough. I just took a shower because I just went to the gym and I just washed my hair, but I'm really on here because we have a package. I had ordered 4 more mascaras to try for you guys. Oh, sorry kitty. Sorry kitty. Okay, so this one down here is 100% pure. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras ever. 100% pure is one of my favorite brands in general. Okay. All the kitties want to smell. All the kitties want to smell. And then we have a brand called, ooh, I can't see. Okay. This one is Fifth and Skin. It's giving you 15% off. And then I have Burt's Bees. And the Burt's Bees one, I don't have a lot of hope for because it was one of the cheaper ones, but Burt's Bees doesn't really have the best ingredients ever, but I did want to try it. So today I think I'm going to do the 100% pure one. I like the ingredients. I'm going to have this on today because I feel like my eyelashes are a little dead from the last few days. Okay, so this is how the mascara looks. It comes in this tube and this is the applicator. It's like a big fluffy brush. So, as always, I'm going to bring you insanely close to my face and I'm going to put the mascara on so you guys can see everything. This mascara does have a smell, but I can't place what the smell smells like. The formula is one of my favorites. I know it doesn't show that well. I feel like yesterday I got a lot of mascara on, but this one feels like it's actually moisturizing my eyelashes instead of tearing my eyelashes out of my head. I feel pretty today, actually. I feel like my skin is like glowing because I finally worked out after a few days. I was just too tired to work out and I finally got a good workout in. And now I feel like I'm glowing. Yeah, this definitely takes a few more passes. All right, I'll check in midday and see if my favorite mascara actually doesn't bother me. You know, I know this isn't a lengthening mascara, but it's really not a lengthening mascara. This one's volumizing, which I feel like it volumizes. It definitely doesn't lengthen. Okay, all right, cool. We'll check in later. I'm super sad because I've only had this mascara on for maybe 10 minutes and this eye feels like there's something in it and I'm sad. And I kind of hope there's just something in it, but I don't think so. I think it's a mascara making my eye feel like this and I really hate that feeling. I really hate that feeling, so it's really bad. Like it legit feels like there's like something in my eye. This eye, there's absolutely no problem, but this eye, it legitimately feels like there's like a hair or a rock or something in my eyeball. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, I just took 100% Pure off and I put Pacifica on this eye because that's been my favorite so far. And we'll see if it's just like my eyes today or whether it really was that mascara causing this eye to feel like there's something in it. So I just replaced the 100% Pure with Pacifica on this eye. It still feels like there's something in my eye a little bit, but not like it did. Okay, update, it is almost 7 p.m. and this eye has been absolutely killing me for no reason at all day long. Ever since I put that mascara on, it felt like there was like stuff in my eyes, and I don't know if it's because of the mascara and maybe I didn't get it all off. However, this has had 100% Pure on it the entire day and my eye did not itch at all, and so I think I need to take a rest on trying mascara because I don't wear mascara every day and I feel like I'm now irritating my eyes putting mascara on it every day. So I'm just gonna take a break for like a few days and then I'll come back and we'll do the rest of the mascaras because this eye is not happy. Hey, so it's been like a week since I last did this, but the show must go on, and today we are doing Fifth and Skin. It comes in this really cute packaging, and I just opened it up, and this is wrapped, so let me unwrap this. Alrighty, so it says Natural Lash Mineral Mascara, and let's do a sniff test. I don't mind it. It kind of just smells like traditional mascara, so now I'm gonna grab the camera and we're gonna apply it. Okay, as always, let's get up close and personal. It has a very thin consistency, but I'm sure a lot of these have a thin consistency because they're all brand new. Hopefully they don't burn at all, because that would be the optimal situation. Honestly, it's crazy because I feel like the worst mascara so far has been 100% Pure, which used to be my favorite makeup brand in general. But I feel like as soon as I put it on, it made my eyes hurt. Okay. It's super light, like it's just like a little mascara, which is cool, but I guess we'll see how this progresses over the day. Yeah, let's see how today goes. Okay, so the day that I tried that one, I ended up taking it off after a few hours. But today I have it on again, and I will say I think that this formula might be a little bit flaky, or like it might not be as hypoallergenic, because I feel like my eyes have been a little bit itchy wearing it. So this one is definitely not in my top. Like it's not one I'm gonna wear every day because I don't know about it. But it's not bad. It's not like an immediate stinging. It doesn't smell bad, but it's not my favorite. Alrighty, so today I'm staying in a hotel, special. And we are going to be reviewing Ilia, I-L-I-A. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. And it says Limitless Lash Mascara, Laguna Beach, California. Let me get the applicator out. Okay, as always, I'm gonna shove you into my face and we're gonna see. It smells very much like a standard mascara. So I feel like it's gonna make my eyes react, but it might surprise me. I really like the formula though. I feel like this is my favorite one by the way it makes my eyelashes look. That's really pretty. Okay, so it's on, and I will let you know when and if I react to it. Hopefully I don't, because I do like the way it looks. And yeah, the applicator little bristle brush looks like this, and it applies well, so I'll check in later. Okay, so I officially have had the I had the mascara on all day. Doesn't look like there's any fallout, and it still feels good, so I actually really like this one. Even though it did smell like mascara, I do really like this one. Last day, last mascara, and then I'll rate them all and let you know which ones are on top for me and my sensitive eyes. Today we have the Nourishing Mascara by Burt's Bees, and the applicator, let me not cover the camera, the applicator looks like this. It's quite a fluffy brush. I feel like it doesn't smell like a traditional mascara, which I kind of like because I don't really like the scent of mascara. There's like an undertone of it, but it's really not bad. I actually have the least amount of hope for this mascara, so hopefully it proves me wrong as far as it being for sensitive eyes. For some reason, I'm just not trusting Burt's Bees to actually have. You know what I actually think is gonna happen is I'm gonna have fallout from this throughout the day. That's my prediction. So it's like 9 a.m. and we'll see how long it lasts on my eyes. It could be an hour, it could be all day. Okay, it looks pretty, so yeah, I'll check in later. All right, the day is pretty much over and there's no fallout. No, I don't think that's fallout. I think maybe, I can't tell. But no visible, no like obvious fallout, which is awesome. And I completely forgot I was wearing it, which has only happened since I wore the Pacifica one. So I'm actually pretty impressed with Burt's Bees, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this was the one that I doubted the most out of all the different ones, but it actually impressed me. So we are done with the mascara reviews, and I'm actually going to show you my ratings. So you can see the rating of all of the mascaras here, from my favorites to my least favorites for people with sensitive eyes. So if you have eczema, if you have eczema around your eyes, if you have sensitive skin, or if you have sensitive eyes, those are the mascaras that I recommend the most. And with all that being said, if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.